guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an update video for you guys. I'm going to share a more in-depth review on some items I recently shared on my channel. So a while back I worked with Italo Jewelry. They reached out to me and I was able to select some pieces from their site, and I've been absolutely loving the pieces, and I just wanted to give you guys an updated review and discuss more about the pieces and share some information with you guys. If you recall, I got this eternity ring. This ring, guys, is absolutely beautiful. Like, made with white sapphires, which honestly stunning. Now, the first thing I want to share, like before I get into anything about wear and tear, you know, I wasn't sure about the brilliance of how like long lasting these products would be. So after using them for months now, I can happily, and I'm so excited to report that the quality is there as far as them being long lasting. Like, this is still shining so beautifully with very little effort for me as far as care or maintenance. It's so funny. I feel like I take care of my handbags more than I take care of my jewelry. This is probably horrible, but I'm just not delicate with my jewelry, and these pieces are holding up beautifully. I also got this tennis bracelet, which, guys, oh my goodness, it's stunning. I will link the specific pieces that I got down below, but they have awesome pieces, beautiful rings. I think their rings are the best, honestly. That's like, I am so tempted by so many rings on their site, but their rings are the best. They have beautiful necklaces, bracelets, and everything is just stunning how everything comes packaged. So I received 2 items. They came in this gift box. So they come in this gift box, as well as these beautiful boxes. Now, these are actually the jewelry boxes where you can store your pieces with a little travel. If you guys can see that. Most of the pieces are, they're still precious metal. There's silver with white sapphire. So it comes with the silver polishing cloth, which is excellent to maintain your pieces. I'm going to read it briefly. It's about the jewelry. So it says, at Italo, our fine jewelry is a precious possession that is designed and crafted to last a long time. See? But proper care is required to assure the lasting qualities of your jewelry. As a result, we've created the basic jewelry care guide to direct you in the proper care of your jewelry. So this is a care guide for jewelry. I was just talking about how I literally don't do what I'm supposed to do for them, and they still look gorgeous. Jewelry, we stand behind the quality and craftsmanship of our jewelry. Italo Jewelry offers 1-year warranty on items, which I think is also fantastic. Having the guarantee for 1 year makes it like pretty stress-free. You just purchase it, give it a try. Should anything go wrong, you have that 1-year warranty, and it says against any manufacturing defect. Also, the one thing I just cannot stress enough is how beautiful of the quality these pieces are for the price range. Definitely I'm taking more of a minimalistic approach to luxury items moving forward. Having these luxury items, but I'm definitely also more into affordability. Like, I need things to be flexible and definitely worth the price. And it's nothing better than finding quality and a really reasonable price tag for a really high quality luxury item. Like, that is like magic. Not just beautiful jewelry pieces, but it's the quality and the affordable prices. I highly recommend, guys, if you're looking for something special for a gift, or if you want to treat yourself to something special, definitely check them out, because their pieces are definitely timeless. Like, you'll love them. But I wanted to talk more about wear and tear, and honestly, there's not much wear and tear to discuss because the items still are like in perfect brand new condition. Like, I wear this all the time. You guys have seen me. I wear these constantly, and I love them. Definitely one of my favorite pieces. Recommend you guys check them out. If you use my code, which I'll put down below, you will get an additional 20% off your order. So I definitely recommend checking them out, but then use my code and get an additional 20% off. They're already amazing prices. Like, can't go wrong. So best part is they're currently having their anniversary sale. So they have tons of items discounted. They have other promotions running, and then like I said, you can still use my code, which is 20 Zara, but I'll put it down below. So I'll link it in the description box below. So not only can you take advantage of the awesome sale happening right now, but you can also get an additional 20% off your total using my code. So definitely check it out. I highly recommend it. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.